Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing another product for you which would be amazing and super awesome. So guys, this product is the Amla Hair Oil by Wow Skin Science. So guys, this is the packaging. As you can see, it is well packed. I really like the part that they really pack their products really nicely. There is nothing, I don't think that you can get a better package than this. Let's open the box and see what is inside. So that's how the packaging is. You will see the applicator. This is one of the best thing that they have created. So they have this applicator which you can use on top of the bottle, and you can use this as like while you are combing, and the oil drops out from these capillaries. So when you open the box, you will find this bottle inside, which is the Amla Hair Oil. You can check out the bottle. So let's see what is written on the product. So it is a Amla hair oil with comb applicator. As I told you before that this is the applicator which I will use. It says that it is for dry, itchy scalp and limp hair, non-sticky, non-greasy hair oil. Okay, so this is a very important thing guys. One thing, because I have already used this product, so I will tell you something about this, that when I applied it on my hair and when I was washing it, when I washed it with the shampoo, you know how when you put oil on your hair, every time I have to use shampoo for at least 2 or 3 times to get rid of that entire oil, and that's the reason why I don't use oil that much on my hair. But when I washed my hair after applying this particular oil, guys, you won't believe it, I just used my shampoo for I think just once, and the entire oil was just off my hair in just one wash. So it is really amazing because it's not greasy, it's non-sticky, and you don't feel that, you know how you feel very greasy and sticky with oils and you don't prefer using oil these days because of this reason. So this won't give you any of that feeling. So that is the best thing about this product. So I'll just show you how you can use the applicator. So guys, it depends on you, and just in case if you want to use it normally, you can just open it and just take few drops and that's about it. Just in case you want to use it yourself, if someone else is not there to massage, so you can just put this particular applicator on top, which is very easy, and that's how the oil will drop in. Guys, let's see what is written on the bottle. So it delivers the goodness of amla oil extract, lemon essential oil blended with natural cold pressed oils. These help to boost circulation in the scalp, control dandruff, soften hair and give healthy shine. It is a lightweight oil that gets easily absorbed into the scalp. The bottle comes with a comb applicator for easy application. Of course, I have told you about the applicator. This is one of the best thing about this particular product, because you can use oil very easily. We use oil, otherwise it's very difficult, it's tricky. It's easier when someone else is obviously massaging your hair, but for people like me who do not stay with their families, it's very difficult. So you need something, you totally need an applicator that could work well for you. Also guys, as you all know, it's a amla hair oil, and amla is the best thing for your hair. It strengthens your hair, so it is very important for dandruff, hair fall. I used to suffer a lot from hair fall, and I still do at times. It depends. Usually around monsoon I suffer from hair fall, and still today. So I have been using this particular oil since a week now, and I have applied it for I think 3 times. So far it's really nice. You can also see here in the video that how you can apply this particular product to your scalp, and after wash how my hair becomes so beautiful, lightweight. So in the picture itself you will realize that the hair are so lightweight because they're flying everywhere. Even I was shocked when I used it. So I think it's one of the best products, and you should totally use it. Guys, this is for 499 INR, which is again not very expensive. I think it is a decent price, which is pretty affordable, and at this particular price, such a great oil with the applicator is really nice. I would like to add all the key ingredients this particular has extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil, castor oil, argan oil, coconut oil, amla. Castor oil is one of the main oil because it helps to build the thickness of your hair strand, and almond oil again strengthens hair. So it is a product filled with number of oils. So guys, that's all about this video today. I hope you liked the review. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. Also follow me on my Instagram. Here is the Instagram ID. Take care. Bye bye.